Hello everyone, welcome to Wesley and Vincent channel, and today we are making pizza. Yay! I love pizza. Double cheese. And here we have the pizza. No, we're not making pizza. So we're making a maze.
Why we need to make a maze?
Because we need to make a maze for the ant. And if you guys don't know what's a maze is like a trapdoor. So it will have something like this over here and many walls, and you need to walk and find a way out to another way. So you can go search in Google. If we make the finish, and we need to put the jelly that we make like the last video. So we want to know how many minutes or hours it will take ants to come here and then finish the maze, and maybe there will be many ants. So the last time we made jelly, the jelly green one we cannot eat, it's too sweet, it's bad for you, so we can't eat that one. Okay, let's get started. So first we need to cut this one first. Wait, we need to draw a line. So Vincent, are you happy we're gonna make some maze?
Yeah, I'm happy.
I think you look sleepy. So every time we make a video at night, he's so sleepy. Wanna go sleep first?
No.
So now we're gonna make it very fast. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hello guys, now it's finished. It's the next day, and you see, this is the maze. See guys? So we have the entrance over here and another entrance. So you can go this way and then come over here. If you come over here, there will be a hole that you could go down under there. See? Okay. And this one is the entrance, another one. So we will put this thing, the jelly, into over here. First. I don't know the ants will climb up over here or not. It will climb up like this. It didn't do the maze. So we need to measure it first. How much is the weight? Okay, look at it. This thing is the sweetest thing I have ever eaten. So we're gonna pour it half in. So it's 175.4 grams. My God, this is so bad. I can't even eat this. So we need to put it in here. Listen, let's go. Where are we gonna put?
Outside.
You see, guys? It's flying. So we decided we're gonna put it on the tree, not too high. So yesterday we said we wanna know if it takes long or not long for the ant to come. So we're gonna start the timer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I start the timer. It looks like a jelly swing. It's swing for a jelly. Whee! If the squirrel come and then it destroy everything. If you guys can guess what the timer is, the first ant that come, if you can guess the timer correct, please put the comments below. I'm gonna give you my ants. So guys, it's been like 1 hour and now it's raining. So there's some of the ant is coming, so we need to wait a little longer. There's Vincent. Say hello, Vincent.
A few moments later.
Wesley.
Oh, it's broke, guys. The jelly is gone. Oh my god. It must have been.
It's
It's
raining.
the storm. The storm just broke. Oh man. So the jelly is gone.
We need to make
Yeah. So
again.
So this project, we're gonna do it another time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to other people. And if you want me to do other experience, please tell me in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Bye!